Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you about what is list and how you can sort a list. I have already made some videos on list and list comprehension. Also I have explained about what is dictionary. So but the purpose here is to tell you about what is a sort function. So keep in mind there are two ways here where you can sort the list. One way is to use the method of the list. That method is known as sort, and the other way to sort the list is the use the function which is sorted. The function name is sorted. Both, the difference is that one of the function, which is the method function, will change the original list. It will sort the list, so it will be from ascending to descending, or whatever it can be, but it will sort the original one. Whereas when you use the sorted function, you won't be changing the original one. You will get the second list and you can store that sorted list into another object. So let's begin with the list. So as I already told you that just to write how to write a list in Python is you need to write the elements in the square braces. Since we are talking about a sorting, that means we should have a list of numeric values. It can be integer, it can be decimal, but since we are talking about sorting, we should not have a string characters. We can have sort alphabetically, but we are talking right now sorting the numerical values. Okay, so alphabetically is also possible, you can do it that, but let's discuss about numeric values. If you have, say, negative values, positive values, or it can be decimal values, anything, but just sorting ascending or descending. So let's sort it by ascending order and create one list. Say L1 is equal to 1, minus 100, 600, 500. So there are 4 elements in this list, and this is not obviously sorted because the first element is 1, second is minus 100, and then 600. So it is not in ascending order. So say we want to keep it in ascending order. So what we can do is, once we have created the list, we will store it in L1 object, and let's see what is there. So it will return, L1 will return 1, minus 100, 600, and 500. Now first way is to use the method of the list class. So we are using the L1. So L1 we will using the sort method. So what is it we are doing is we are taking the original object L1 and dot sort. So this is using the method of the list, and just write this. It will be changing the original object. We are not assigning into L1, but we are just using L1 dot sort. So it is actually changing internally the values of L1, and it is sorting values. So it is now, see, if you see the values of L1, shift enter, you see that minus 100, 1, 500, 600. So you have changed the L1 just by accessing the sort method of this list. So this is one way where you are changing the original without assigning the L1 into or anything. You're just using the method inside. Second way is to use an inbuilt built-in function in Python, which is the sorted function. So by this you will not change the L1. Instead you will create a new list, and that you can store it in any other object. Say you can store it in L2. So you are writing L1 is equal to this, and then you are writing L2 is equal to sorted of L1. So let's do like this, and let's now see what is in L1. We have uses the sorted of L1, but it won't change the L1. So it will remain the same. Let's check it. So if you check in L1, you will see that the elements remains the same. 1 minus 100 600 for no order has been changed. Whereas in L2, if you see L2, the values is now sorted: minus 100 1 500 and 600. So L1 was one list and L2 is the sorted version of the L1. So they are not equal. If you want to see that if they are equal, they won't be equal, because if you see L1 element pairwise, so first element is 1 and in L2 the first element is minus 100. Obviously they are not equal, so the lists are different. So L2 is the sorted version of L1. So here we are creating a new list by using a sorted function, whereas in when we are using the sort method of the list, we are not creating a original we are not creating a new list, we are just changing the original one. So this is the way where you can change where you can sort the list. And there are these are the two ways, depending on your depending on what you want to do, so you can do it. So thanks for also just one more thing, that I have already made some more videos on dictionaries and list and list comprehension, and more videos. You can have a look on my channel, and you can see that you are the Python playlist there. And also I have explained you about data science and machine learning using R and Python. So you can just have a look and see that if it is interesting for you. And so thanks for watching this video. Yeah, so please do not forget to like and subscribe, so that I can give you the notification once I upload the videos. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.